Hello everyone! Today we're going to recognize the letter V. Are you ready? Let's go! Letter V. What sound does the V make? It makes the V sound. Shall we write the letter V? We're going to start from the top, down to the bottom line, and then we're going to go up to the top line, and here is our letter V. Shall we write the V sound? Again, we're going to start from the top, all the way down, then up again, the opposite way. Well done. V, V sound. Can you see the letter V? Let's name the letters. B, S, V. Can you point to the letter V? Well done. Super job, well done. Now we have 3 more letters. We're going to find the letter V. Let's name the letters. U, V, Q. Can you point to the letter V? Well done, super job, fantastic. Can you see the V sound? Let's say the sound. N, F, V. Can you point to the V sound? Well done, super work. Three more sounds. Let's find the V sound. V, K, M. Can you point to the V sound? Well done, fantastic work. Super job, well done. Now it's time to find all the V letters and color it when we find it. Let's go. Well done, we found the first V letter. Let's look for the next one. Well done, fantastic. Well done, we found another V. Great work, well done. Are there any more? Yep, well done. Great work, well done. We found all the V letters. Well done. Now this time we're going to look for the V sound. Well done. We found the first V. Great work. Well done. Another V. Great. Well done. Fantastic. Well done. Are there any more? Yep. Well done. We found the last V sound. Well done, everyone. We found V sounds. Which picture starts with the V sound? Let's name the pictures. V, v, van. B, b, bike. L, l, lorry. It's not the l, lorry or the b, bike. Well done. It is the v, van. Three more pictures. Let's name the pictures and find the picture with the V sound. Police. Vet. Doctor. It's not the doctor or the police. Well done. It is the vet. Okay, we got three more pictures. Let's name the pictures and find the picture that starts with the V sound. Vase. Flowers. Water. It's not the flowers. Water. Well done. It's the vase. Now let's read some words that starts with a V sound. V, a, n, v, a, n, van. V, e, v, e, t, v, e, t. Vet. V, e, s, t, v, est, v, est. Well done, everyone. Super job. Fantastic. Well done, everyone. Fantastic work. Well done. Now, are you ready for your sticker? Let's have a look. Oh wow, look at that. You have a beautiful pink butterfly. Fantastic, well done. Fantastic job as always. Bye bye, and remember, keep on practicing.